So today's video is going to cover two things. Janet learning how to run the tractor and take down trees, because we decided to make the drain field a little bit larger, get a little more square footage in there, put the infiltrators on 9-foot centers instead of 8-foot centers. That just expands the capacity a little bit. The second part of the video, we're just going to be setting the septic tank. And then this will be followed up by the next video, which will actually be digging the trenches, installing the infiltrators, and hooking everything up. So hope you enjoy the video. Janet on the tractor. We have the winch line runs to the snatch block. You can see the snatch block here. From the snatch block, goes up to the tree, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, Janet, go ahead. Sorry about that.
It was exciting. I forgot to look back again because it was so much fun, and I looked right at the tree, but hooray!
One more look from her view. And there you have one tree laying down in the middle of the drain field.
And I didn't kill you.
And she didn't kill me. You're doing good. Lower it down. That means go down. The thumb is telling you what to do. That's good. So come on into the pile. Raise it up a tiny bit. That's good. No, keep coming.
Oh, keep coming.
You're doing good. Just 6 more inches. Okay, clamp down.
What now?
Clamp down. Yeah, lift it up. You have it. Okay, back it up, drive it around, and put it on our pile.
And go where with it?
On the pile over here. So now we're going to set the tanks. We're going to start out with everything I did wrong. What I did right. I dug the hole a little too deep, or so I thought. There's no reason the tank couldn't have been 1.5 feet deeper. For some reason I got fixed on the elevation of the tank, the elevation of the house, the 1/4 inch per foot drop, etc., and completely missed the fact that I could have just run the pipe down to hit the tank. Would have been so much better. So I went and got a compactor and I backfilled and compacted the crap out of it. You can see I got those yellow pegs down there. I put those all in and shot them to grade. When the guy showed up to set the tank, though, he really wanted to put a little gravel in it. So we put a little gravel in it, about 2 inches on top of the dirt. So that raised the tank up. So after all that, getting it absolutely perfect, my tank was 2 inches higher. But since it's, I think, 180 feet from the tank to the house, 2 inches didn't really matter all that much. We're going to put some gravel in here, and then we're going to set the tank, and that'll be the end of today's video. I'll see you on the other side. Take a look here at the equipment. And that is a 14,000 gallon tank, or excuse me, 14,000 pound tank, 1,500 gallons. And now you can see we have put gravel in here. Nothing like a last minute adjustment. Well, that comes to the end of this video. A little shot here of some wave action down on West Beach. Had a big storm come through and took out the power of the whole Puget Sound area for about 24 hours. Or we were without power for 24 hours. Went differently. If you liked the video, subscribe. If you didn't like it, subscribe. I just want subscribers. Not going to lie. Leave me a comment. Nice comment, I hope. I really like nice comments. They're good for me. Until next video, which will be installing the infiltrators, hooking up the pipes. Got it all ready. Passed our inspection. Life is good. We now have somewhere to go. Take care. Have a great rest of your day, rest of your week. Stinging Nettle Farms, signing out.